Hello and welcome to the Manifestor's Circle. Did you know that Jim Carrey, the actor we all know and love, used manifestation to land his breakthrough movie and $10 million? It's true, and you don't have to be a celebrity to do it too. Jim did it when he had nothing. The power of manifestation knows no limits. First, let's talk about what the law of attraction is. The law of attraction is the belief that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, a person can bring positive or negative experiences into their life. In other words, what you focus on becomes your reality. Now let's talk about Jim Carrey and his experience with the law of attraction. In an interview with Oprah Winfrey, Carrey revealed that he used his law of attraction to manifest his success in Hollywood. One night while sitting up in the Hollywood Hills dreaming about his future, he wrote himself a check for $10 million, dated it for 5 years in the future, and kept it in his wallet. And 5 years later, he starred in the hit movie Dumb and Dumber, which earned him $10 million, 5 years to the date that he wrote that check. But it's not just about money for Carrey. He also uses visualization to manifest other aspects of his life, such as his acting career. In the same interview with Oprah, Carrey revealed that he would visualize himself winning an Academy Award and believed that it would happen. And sure enough, in 2014, Carrey was nominated for an Academy Award for his role in the film The Truman Show. The law of attraction can be used to manifest anything you want in life, from your dream job to your perfect relationship. And it's not just about manifesting things. It's about manifesting experiences and emotions. For example, if you focus on feeling happy and grateful, you will attract more happiness and more gratitude into your life. Now let's talk about some of Jim Carrey's tips for using the law of attraction and visualization to manifest your dreams. First, start by getting clear on what you want. What are your goals and dreams? What do you want to manifest in your life? Be specific and focus on the details. As long as you know what it is you want in your life to look like, nobody else needs to know. Now let yourself feel what it would be like if you already had what you wanted. Imagine yourself living with the life of your dreams, with all the abundance and prosperity you could ever want. Feel the emotions and experiences that come with it and let them flow throughout your body and mind and into the universe. Then, simply let go. Move on with your day, doing whatever it is you are going to do. Third, take action towards your goals. This could mean setting goals, creating a plan, or taking small steps towards your dreams. Remember, the law of attraction is not a magic wand. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired outcome. Think of it like a car. It will take you places you want to go much faster than you'd get there simply walking on foot, and with less effort. But you still have to push your foot down on the accelerator. Taking no action suffocates the effects of the law of attraction and gives it no energy to work with within your life. So take action each day, no matter how small, towards your goals. Lastly, stay positive and focused. It's important to keep a positive mindset and believe that what you want is possible. This will help you attract more positivity and abundance into your life. We'll cover this more in depth in a later video, but it's important to remember that negative thoughts breed negative thoughts. So lean into positivity and remove as much negativity as you can from your life. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestor's Circle.